everyone, today I will be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus costs $25 per month and it is a beauty subscription box. And it has full-size items, which is different from the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 and it has only deluxe-sized items. Okay. So, like with every box, there comes this card that tells us what's in the box and the prices, so we'll go over them. So, the first item here is this Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer. And this retails for $10.99. No, it's $10.59. Okay. The next product in here is this brush. And this is a Complex Culture Precision Concealer Brush. And the retail value for this is $26. So let's see what it feels like. It's a gray colored brush. It's very soft. I like it. Okay. Let's go on to the next product. The next product is a Phase Zero Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Undercover. And this retails for $16. So let's see what color this is. This looks to be a pinky color. Let's try it out. It's a pretty pink color. Okay. The next item in here is an eyeliner. It's a Luna liner from Seraphine Botanicals, and it's supposed to be water resistant, and it retails for $18. So let's see. Oops, this is kind of stuck in there. Okay. Let's open this. It's a liquid liner. Okay. And it's the color black. It's a black liner. Okay. And we'll see if it's waterproof in a little bit to see if it smears or not. Okay. So the next product is this Malin Goats Revitalizing Eye Gel. And this retails for $42. So Let's check this out. Okay. So it looks like a clear color. Okay. Looks like a clear gel. Okay. Let's go on to the next item, which is this eyeshadow palette from The Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Day to Night palette, and this retails for $26.50. So let's open this up. And this actually comes with a mirror as well. And these are the colors. And there's this black primer here, which actually it says can change the color of these eyeshadows as well. So this is a bluish, tealish color that looks like this. Let's see what happens if we use the black primer underneath. Let's see how this will change it. Okay, so if you look at my arm here, it changed into a completely different color. It has more of a greenish tint to it, which is beautiful as well. Okay, and I think this does it with like all the colors as well. This is more of a bronzy brown color. This is more of a lilac shade, light purple. Okay. Then we have this brown color and this bronzy color as well. And then these looks like they're like transition shades, and you can use this as a primer as well. You could say it's an eyeshadow primer. It's very light. And this brown shade definitely looks like a good crease color. It's very light. And it looks like a beautiful palette. And if you want to change the colors, you can always use this black primer to make the colors look different. Okay. And the very last item in here is actually the bag. So the Glam Bag Plus also comes with a bag, and this one's also teal and kind of lime green, and it says Unstoppable on it. It's cute as well. Love the color teal, so it's a very cute bag. Well, that's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye!